Let's see if we can do it with this one. Let's see if we can use those eyes instead of the regular eyes. So let's just do like this. Hmm. Okay, so that one didn't come out too bad at all either. Okay. All right. So again, what we're practicing today, guys, is how to show you that it's not about like you drawing exact features. It's really about relationships and knowing what to do to get somebody to recognize the likeness of your person. So, excuse me, again, when I go with a different set, let's just say I go with I keep me an emoji board next to my drawing pad, and I want a particular emotion. Okay, when I use these shapes for the eyes and the mouth, I want to be sure really that my nose shape matches theirs. Like I'm gonna be more meticulous about my nose shape. I'm also going to look at how the eyebrows are. Are they thick, bushy eyebrows? Are they thin eyebrows? You know what I mean? I'm going to be looking at that. And then pretty much I'm going to make sure that my head shape is on point too. So if the head shape's off, it's going to really throw things off. But again, you can see here the emotion that's in the picture, right? And that it looks like it favors him, but without me having to draw these exact features. These are all, our cartoon features like you would see in these emojis. So we'll do maybe, let me see, it's 11. I started about 9:30, 10:30, 11:30. Okay, so we're not going to be much longer, guys. We have to do our word of the day and then go ahead and get you guys on your way here. All right, so let's go with let's look at any face. Let's just find a face. Okay. So we got a face here, right? All right. So what do we want our face to feel here? Okay. She has a smile, a happy face. So I want to look for some. I want to look for. Let's say I look at my emojis and I say I want something that looks happy, right? Something that looks very happy, or something that looks indifferent. Whatever I want, right? I can do this. This is really kind of what her face feels like to me. See that the static look right there, right? So what I want to do again is I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna look at her eyebrows and say they're not really that prominent. But I know when eyebrows are smiling or whatever, I know that I'm gonna be drawing shapes that go up, and then I want some eyes that are round like this, and right, and I want some little eyes inside of there like this, right? All right, and then I want her nose shape to be on point. Whichever way I turn it, I want it to be on point here, okay? And I want some roundness here, okay? All right, so we got that, right? Now we just go ahead and we'll do our mouth shape, okay? So hers is she has a deep drop right here, and then it looks like she has the it's kind of like that, then like that, and like that. All right. Okay, so we can see how and her mouth is really small, so I really ain't gonna probably not be able to get away with this mouth right here. I don't think so. Let me see. What can I do? Because I made that so big. I'd have to just almost do like this and round it. Yeah, see, I'm not gonna be able to get away with that. This is too big. Hold on. All right, so let me see here. What if I start with? Let me see. What if I start with this first? Let's see if I go with her head shape first. Okay. All right. So I think that, guys, we're going to start getting ready to start closing out here. So we're going to do a little word of the day, a little devotional time. And then after that, we'll go ahead and get you guys out of here to enjoy the rest of your day. All right. Well, y'all got things to do. If you enjoyed the stream today, you learned a little something about how to form your caricature a little bit better. All right. And then tips are awesome. Thank you. All right. Again, I can do whatever I want. I could just okay, that's funny. Okay. All right. So, guys, give me just a moment. I'm going to go ahead and start getting my stuff out for the word of the day. I think we practiced enough with this. Again, I hope that I was able to show you something to help you with your caricatures a little bit more. More namely, that it's not really about you drawing perfect features, but it's rather about you figuring out what you want your person to feel, right, in your drawing, and then building everything around that. A great way to do that, again, is to study emoji faces, and no matter what you want your character to be doing, you'll start with that kind of as the basis of the drawing, right? Let's say this is this, right? And I say, I want to do, let's say I want to do this. Yeah, right? Right? So if you look at this, okay, I could put a little mustache here, right? I could do a little mustache here, right? See this right here, right here, there. And I could do this, right? And then that could be like my drawing, right? I could be like the sinister, the sinister Harry cartoon, right? Right? You get what I'm saying? So it's kind of up to you what you want to do, but you gotta let go, and you gotta let go, and then you gotta let it happen. You know what I mean? Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate guys to go ahead and give us a like. Also guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these 2 super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always, guys, I wish you happy cartooning.